Take this sentence. Did you eat yet? If you say it word by word, did you eat yet? It sounds robotic. A native speaker says, jit yet? Shit yet? That's did you eat yet? Crushed into two sounds. Let me break it down. Did you becomes did ya or even just ya. And eat yet slides together into I'd yet. So did you eat yet becomes I'd yet, becomes jit yet. That's connected speech. And it's not wrong English, it's natural English. Here's another one. I have to go becomes I have to go. The V sound in have changes to an F and toe becomes T. I have to go. Try saying it with me. I have to go. Lovely. Very good. But now let's talk about reductions. These are words that native speakers deliberately shorten in casual conversation. The most common one, going to becomes gonna. Not, I am going to call you, but I'm going to call you. And here's the mistake learners make. They hear gonna and think it's a real word they can write in an essay. It's not. Gonna is for speaking. In writing, you still use going to. Right? Same thing with want to becomes wanna. Do you want to grab coffee? Perfectly natural. But write wanna in a formal email. No, 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 of course not. Let's presti. Repeat after me. I'm going to study tonight. Do you want to come with us? I have to leave by 6. Notice hafta, gonna, wanna. These three alone will transform how natural you sound. The more that you use them, the more natural they'll become. Speak, write, and drill. Now let's put it all together. I'm going to play a short exchange between two native speakers, and I want you to listen for the connected speech and reductions.
Cheat yet? Nah, I'm gonna grab something later. Wanna come? Can't, I have to finish this report by 3. All right, let me know if you change your mind.
Did you catch them? Let's break it down. Sheet yet? Did you eat yet? Connected speech. I'm gonna grab something. Reduction of going to. Wanna come? Reduction of want to. I have to finish. Connected speech, have to. Lama no, that's let me becoming lem. Another reduction your textbook never mentioned. Now listen to it again. This time you'll hear every single one.
Cheat yet? Nah, I'm gonna grab something later. Wanna come? Can't, I have to finish this report by 3. All right, let me know if you change your mind.
See? Once you know what to listen for, it's not that they're speaking too fast. It's that your ear wasn't trained for these patterns. But now it is. Your challenge for this week, find a short clip of native English speakers talking, a podcast, a TV show, a YouTube interview, and write down every reduction or connected speech pattern you hear. Gonna, wanna, hafta, lem, jate, all of it. Drop it what you found in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you want to press-stay these patterns in a real conversation, with me, one-on-one, I've left a link in the description and the pinned comment. Let's work on this together. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.